Right, well, I'm now joined by Carl Baumer, who's here to talk to us about the BMW Museum, the new museum that's launching later on this year. So tell us about it, Carl.
Okay, the new museum will open in the end of spring, the very end of spring. The main elements of that new museum are that we have increased the floor space by 5 times, so we have now 5,000 square meters instead of 1,000 square meter. The famous bowl is just more or less the architectural sign for the museum.
Okay.
Most of the museum and the exponents are next to that bowl in that area, which counts to around about 4,000 square meters.
Wow. Now, I've read about some of the things that you're going to feature in the museum. It sounds quite a spectacle with all the big screens everywhere, but what I want to talk to you about is it's not just a timeline of the BMW history, it's more kind of it shows how the cars have developed over the years. Now, we're standing next to this, which is a beautiful classic old car, the BMW 328. What year was this?
It's actually 1938.
1938. As I said, it's a lovely, lovely thing. But you said to me, this is kind of the beginning of efficient dynamics.
Yeah, this model year 38 is really the embodiment of efficient dynamics. So it's 80 horsepower and just 780 kilograms. So it's really what BMW already at that time was and was what it is still in today's world. So efficient dynamic, lightweight body, efficient engine.
So it's very apt that it should be here, given that this stand is all about efficient dynamics this year, and it started way back then. It was still going on.
Yeah.
And have you driven this car?
Yeah, for
What's
several
it like?
hundreds.
What's it like?
It's most fun if you're driving it on mountain roads.
Oh, yeah.
It's really incredible, the sound and how fast that old car really is.
Sheer driving pleasure,
Yeah,
I would
exactly.
imagine. Right, well, Carl, thanks very much for
You're
talking to
welcome.
us. Thank you.